Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I'm going to unbox my birthday present to myself, and this is the beautiful wrapping paper. This wrapping paper is from Papyrus. I think it's so pretty. My mother's sitting here next to me. Do you think it's pretty?
Beautiful.
So my birthday was earlier this month, and because I knew what this was, I didn't unbox it at the time, but I'm gonna unbox it now, and so I can start using it. The paper bar. Okay. And so just have this box here, and I have 3 items from Coach. We have this little one and this little one. And this big one. Right? Okay. So, hang on. You know what? Maybe I will do this way. Okay. Wait, I need like a platform. Okay, so first I'm gonna open this one. And you know, the thing is, this obviously came like this from the, actually I got them from Dillard's. And the reason I got them from Dillard's is because they had all 3 things that I wanted, which the Coach website didn't. Okay, so I have this one, and what does this say? Okay, so I saw this, and I just loved it. It's the little zippy wallet. Isn't that a pretty color?
That's beautiful.
It's like a Wedgwood blue, and it has a pocket on the back, and then it just zips this nice smooth zipper, and it has all these little compartments to put cards. It's like for cards and coins. I have this in dragon fruit color, which I love. I got that ink last year, and this color is, what was this color called? I can't even remember what this color was called. Bluebell. This color is Bluebell, and it's so pretty. It actually looks a little, on the website, it looks a little like a lighter blue, but it's like a Wedgwood blue, and I think it's really pretty, and it's nice and soft. It's quilted, and this retails for $95. And you know, when you get the ones from Chanel that are approximately the same size, they're significantly more than that. So I think it's a good deal. So, okay, so we have that. Okay, let's put this stuff here. So that's one. And then I got this. I'm gonna open this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got, these are very well wrapped. Glad. Okay. Oh my god, I love this thing. I've been looking at this thing for months, and I love it so much. I hope that it. Oh, look how beautiful! It's this beautiful green glittery pear. It's a bag charm. Coach's bag charms are very substantial. Very. Like the fruit ones, very heavy. I have the cherries, and this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I just love it.
Yeah, look at it.
You know what? I'd love to do like a Christmas tree of Coach charms. I only have 2 of them, but if I had like all of them, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, let me get this. Let me just make sure just want to make sure the clip is okay. And it's, or you could use it as a keychain. It's, in my opinion, it's just too heavy for a keychain, but I mean, it's going to add some weight to the bag, but it's just, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that glitter.
It is, I know.
Isn't that beautiful?
I know, it's gorgeous.
So pretty. Okay, so that's the second item. And they have cherries, they have all different charms, but a lot of different fruits. But I just thought this was so pretty. Wait a minute, why isn't it standing up straight? Okay, that's all right. I don't have to. All right, now the pièce de résistance, which obviously I think everybody realizes is probably a bag. Okay. Now, I saw these on the website, and it comes in 4 different colors. Comes in a light pink, comes in like a sort of like an aqua green, comes in like a lavender, and this color. I love this color, and so I got this. Ta-da! This is the denim tabby in the yellow, and the exact color is, let me see, mimosa. That's the exact color it's called. I love yellow. This is denim. I mean, I like denim. I'm not like a huge denim fanatic like my mother is. She loves denim bags, but the color for me was just what did it. And it's not showing up on the camera as, I think, as bright as it is. To me, on the camera, it's looking a little bit almost like it's like a chartreuse, but it's not. It's a bright yellow, and it's just beautiful.
It is.
So I have to take all the packaging off of it, but I just love this color. I'm so excited. Let me just take this off so you can see. And I want to use this because, you know, it's like more of a warm weather bag, because it's denim and the color. Like, I'm not going to use this in New York in the winter, probably, because I don't think that would be good for the bag. It'd get wet and stuff. But all right, so here, look how beautiful it is. Look at this.
It's beautiful.
So pretty, right? And I thought that this would look really cute. Maybe with the green would go really nicely with it. So, so that was it. Oh, and I should tell you what this retails like. Wait, let me see. This retails, I think this was also $95.
Wow.
The bag charm. Well, it's very substantial. I mean, feel how heavy this is.
Oh my
Feel it,
gosh.
right? And then the bag is, or was, wait a minute, what's the bag? $3.95. Not cheap. Coach's gotten a little more expensive, but Coach is still much more reasonable compared to other brands, and the quality is there. It's really good. So, so anyway, there we go.
Beautiful.
And I have so many other videos I have to do coming up. There was a video I was going to do last year about Louis Vuitton. I never did. I have to do it. But I also want to do another Coach video about my Coach jewelry. And I actually have one piece that matches this. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.